ngiyabingelela igama usinqobile Alex Kamzizi, Cultural Ambassador of South Africa and Ambassador yasemazizini to the world. Khuluma no Jama Ka Sjadu nomani ndaba sisithe lamasuku umtiti kucungilashe udlamini siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much to my followers, my friends, my family for liking the first video. It was a success. So manje ke siza kuphatha kwe-video ebhayi nizobe nibona khona like people once again bekhuluma isiZulu, bekhuluma nangama-language aphinda sala cause emsebenzini we've got like different nationalities and also le America indawo nendawo, each state and every state they got their own accent. So le ngisebenza khona it's so diverse. We've got people from different states, we've got people from different countries. So once again please enjoy. Once again my American friends, my friends from other countries, North America, all over the world. I think
Lindi Gumede waseNingizimu Afrika eMzansi for sure. Ngokuhlala manje ngise-US, eFlorida, Naples. I work for the JW Marriott in Marco Island. Ngisekishini there. I'm the culinary intern. I've been here for the past 11 months now.
Guys, Kamala Uyabonga ngiwase South Africa, ngihlala eAmerica. Ngisebenza kuma-restaurant in one of ama-resorts e-JW Marriott, and ngisebenza ku-fine dining restaurant igama layo i-Aro. So far ukuhlala la ngiyakthanda kakhulu. Into engiyithandayo ukuthi abantu they are more welcoming and they nice, and bahlezi benosizo bethanda ukusiza. So ngiyakwenjela ukuhlala la.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguLethu. I'm from South Africa, eThekwini. I work at the JW Marriott as a chef.
Sanibonani Kunjani, good morning, goeiemôre. Ek is Marius Tron van Suid-Afrika. Ek is J1 ambassadeur hier by JW Marco Island. En ek werk in die hoofkombuis, Banyans, main kitchen en Gamo.
Bonjour, mon nom est Yantilus, je suis Shama. Moi, je travaille dans JW Marriott, Marco Island Beach Resort, et moi, je travaille comme agent de réservation.
你好，我来自中国，我的名字叫赵佩文。I'm from China. You can call me Kevin, and I work at JW Marriott Marco Island as a chef. And this video is for my friend Alex. Thank you.
Hola a todos, soy María Sofía de Colombia y soy pastry chef at JW Marriott Marco Island Beach Resort. Kevin es una persona hermosa, maravillosa que me ayuda desde que llegué y estoy muy feliz por haberlo conocido y también estoy muy feliz por mi intercambio cultural en Marco Island. Chao!
Привет, меня зовут Spencer. Я работаю front desk agent at Marriott.com. Очень признаю, и я люблю тебя очень.
Good evening, my name is Damon. I'm from Miami and I work at the JW Marriott on Marco Island.
Hi, my name is Samantha. I'm from Kansas City, Missouri, and now I am a JW front desk agent.
Rahajang, perkenalkan nama saya Dewa Gedea Pratama, and now I'm here. It's a JW Marriott in Marco Island, Florida States. It's a G1 internship. It's my passion in the hot kitchen, especially culinary. Okay.
Halo, selamat malam. Perkenalkan nama saya Iwan Arya Megantara. Saya berasal dari Bali. Saat ini saya sedang internship G1 training di JW Marriott Marco Island. Thank you.
السلام عليكم، أنا سميتي زينة، أنا من المغرب، كنشتغل as a guest experience expert في JW Marco Island فلوريدا. هذه 7 سنين وأنا عايشة هنا في أمريكان، نص فيهم في أوهايو، وجيت لهنا في فلوريدا هذه عام ونص. مرحبا بكم معنا، شكرا.
Hi there, my name is Ryan. I'm one of the assistant rooms managers with JW Marriott Marco Island. I come from Aurora, Colorado originally, but now I live here in Naples, Florida, and I've been with our property for just about 2.5 years.
Hello, my name is Sailor. I moved here from Colorado. I work at the JW as a VIP coordinator.
Hello, my name is James Frick. I am a room operation manager here at the JW Marriott on Marco, and I am from Maryland.
Hi, my name is Bella. I'm from Montgomery County, Maryland in the United States. I'm one of the VIP coordinators at the JW Marriott Marco Island Beach Resort.
Alright, hi everybody, my name's Chris. I'm from Wisconsin originally, and I am the rooms controller here at the JW Marriott.
Hi, my name is Armand. I'm from Queens, New York, so if you know, New York, New York, and I work at the front desk of the JW Marriott.
Hello, my name is Frank. I work as a bellman at the Marco Island JW Marriott. On behalf of our newfound friend Alex, we want to wish you a happy holidays from Frank.
Good evening. My name is Manuel de Jesus. I am the parking director at the JW Marriott Marco Island. I work for AAA Parking. I've been working here for about 8 years. Was born and raised in New York City, Manhattan. Moved to New Jersey directly after and found my way down in Florida. So.
I don't know, say your boss says Malik. So I am the Jamaican cultural ambassador at the JW Marco Island Beach Resort. I know me just there as a line cook. I go and take in your studies and there to improve myself and culinary techniques.
Moi really Jubanoli, moi fait Haïti. Alex is a meme. Have a good day. God bless you.
Hello, c'est Emmanuel Désir. Moi sorti Haïti depuis Thionville. Je travaille pour JW Marco Island Marriott pour plus de 23 ans. So that's all.
Hey, my name is Dave. I work at the JW Marriott. I drive the golf shuttle for them. And it's a great place to work here in Florida. And Alex is an awesome guy.
Morgan, my name is Max. I'm German. I came here to America when I was young, and I work now at the JW Marriott as a VIP coordinator.
I'm Jonathan. I'm from Oklahoma City. My brother's Chris, and yeah, love working at the JW.
Hey, I'm Chris. I work at the JW Marriott. I'm from Dallas, Texas. I've been here 8 years, and I work with my brother at the bell stand.
السلام عليكم أنا اسمي جمال بشتغل في JW Marriott Marco Island as a guest experience expert وأنا صديق لأليكس هو ورا الكاميرا هنا اهو أنا مبسوط إن أنا شغال هنا وأتمنى إن أنتوا برضو يكون لكم الفرصة إنكم تسافروا لأمريكا وتعملوا J1 فيزا لأن هي حلوة جدا مهما كانت الاكسبيرينس اللي عندكم المكان ده او الدولة دي فيها اكسبيرينس كبيرة جدا فاشوفكم.
Afternoon, my name is Daniel. I'm the director of front office here at the JW Marriott Marco Island. Originally from Reno, Nevada, so I am American, but I've worked here for since February of this year. I've been with the company for almost 15 years. This is the 5th Marriott property I've worked at, but glad to be here at the JW Marriott Marco Island.
Hello, I'm Allie. I'm American, currently living in Florida, but I'm from Virginia. I'm currently an assistant room operation here at the JW Marco Island.